Hey, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, you've made it to the end. Welcome to Animation Capstone Winter 2023. I'm here to help you out. My name is Adam Roseski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So it's just you and me this quarter. So we're just going to do this one at a time. If you want to join me for lecture, you can. I appreciate that. If not, we can just do it quick, easy, and make sure everything's good to go. But other than that, let's get into it and let's get started and get there. So you've made it to the end. You've gotten there. So don't worry about working on anything animation related or anything that you skill at. This quarter, we're gonna get your demo reel ready. We're gonna get you how to get there in the industry because that's what I specialize in. Well, in reality, I hire everybody, so that's pretty much. I guess that's what a project manager and a producer does. So it's pretty much what I do. I go out and I find things, I build everything, and I get projects to the end. But how do you get yourself to people like me to get those jobs? That's really the big aspect about that. So yeah, let's get into it. And this is what this course is going to be: setting up your demo reel, setting up your marketing aspects, and how to get yourself out to those other employers out there where you want to work. And that's really the big aspect. And I'm going to definitely help you out. It's going to be fantastic. So yeah, let's talk about it. So just a little bit of background on me. I started all sorts of jobs. I tried to be a professional goaltender, and I tore my knees out at Penn State and got my mechanical engineering degree. Then I worked in the airlines for a little bit, just as some like ground work. Used to bring in planes and work contracts for my dad. But I was a competitive video gamer. I did a lot of Gran Turismo driving games, third-person shooters, and MMOs. I was really good at it. Used to compete before like really competitive gaming took off. But I was really interested in making games and really just working in games in general. So I got my bachelor's in entertainment business. I got my master's degree in science and in project management and in game design, and I double master there. And then I went out in the world. I worked for GP Games, Activision, EA, did that for about 10 years. Bounced on a lot of different games. Started off in like Hearthstone, worked my way up, going to Battlefield, and then Sims, Plants vs. Zombies. Oh gosh, I touched so many different games. Um, I also did Madden, FIFA, NHL. I bounced around. So I've been in the industry for about 9, 10 years. So I've worked on a lot of different games. Now I just finished a run at Wason. We did VR games over there and mobile games. And now I'm moving to a VR company. Works for helping out military groups such as the Air Force. So Mass Virtual is where I'm going now. So that's my new job. I'm a senior project manager there. So yay. Other than that, it's pretty much it. Just pretty much been game design for the past 10, 15 years. Software and VR design. So a lot of fun. But yeah, it's pretty much me. But other than that, let's get into it. So there's 3 types of assignments. You're going to have discussions, written assignments, project assignments. Discussions are not every week, but I know there's like 8 or 9 of them, so they're still kind of important. Your initial posts are always going to be due on Tuesday, except for week 1. That's going to be Saturday. Reply post is Saturday as well. Final day is going to be March 17th. So that'll be the last week. Since you are the only person in this class, I will help you out. I will post an initial post as well. So that way you have something to reply to. If I'm not able to get one out, then don't worry about replying. I'm just going to grade you on the initial. So if I don't get an initial post out. So going to post an initial post for you each week. So that way you know what's going on. And you can reply to it. That's really the big thing. Now, written assignments, you also have written assignments. They're always due on Sunday, except for the final day, which is March 17th. That's a Friday. And same thing with project assignments, due Sunday, final day. Now, written project assignments are always due on Sunday at the end of the week, except for week 11. That's going to be on Friday. These focus on techniques to improve animation presentation and professional concepts, such as demo reels, job preparation, animation presentation, transitioning techniques, adding graphics and sound, and so much more. So there's a lot that goes into it. That's pretty much it. Other than that, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that we're going to be going through this course and how to go about that. Now we also have live lectures. They're always going to take place on Tuesday each week, except for week 1. Week 1 is Thursday. So please check your Teams channel that I've opened up. Please check your calendar on Blackboard. You should see the lectures and all the links that go to it. Also check your announcements as well. I post the lecture links, all the rubrics and everything right there. These are going to take place 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central on Tuesday, except for week 1. It's Thursday. Now, what happens if I miss a lecture? So don't worry, I'm going to have recordings. I know we're busy. I work 2 jobs. I have 2 kids. And play hockey and do a lot of other things. So yeah, there's a lot that goes on in my life. I get it. There's a lot that goes on in everybody else's life. If you cannot make it for lecture, that's fine. I have recordings. So, and how do you record your attendance? I will show you. So in live lecture, I'm going to show you how to record your live lecture assignments. So that way you can get those easy 7 points. Now note, if you don't do a live lecture assignment, that's a 0. So they're pass fail. And if you don't do them by Sunday each week or by Friday the last week, they tie to your attendance. So they knock off an attendance points as well. So please make sure you turn them in. I will show you how to complete those during lecture on Thursday. So that way you know how to go about that. Other than that, just some class expectations. Lab assignments are 10% of the grade each day. If they're over 7 days, it's a 0. Please contact me ahead of time. That way you don't wait to the last minute. Please don't be one of those people. And don't wait. That way we can have a plan and help you out. Be courteous and respectful in discussion posts. Just make sure you give full feedback. I like 2 paragraphs per post. The more effort you give, the more points I'm going to give for you. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you do at least 2 paragraphs with detailed feedback and examples to prove what your reasonings and why your reasoning makes sense. That's a big thing. And just 2 rules, just discover and have fun. That's the big aspects I have. So yeah, let's go over where to find everything and go from there. So that way you guys know where everything exists. All right, so save this bad boy right here. So yeah, everything's gonna be located here. You also have your Teams channel, which you can open Microsoft Teams. It'll take you there. However, I've posted announcements. Your rubrics are always going to be posted on the announcements here. Also a welcome announcement just to kind of explain where to grab everything and how to go about it. You also have a welcome to Teams. So your Teams locations and where everything's located. I like lectures, recordings, slides, and schedules. That'll be there. And then also the link to the first lecture. So you click here, pops up. Nope, it's on Thursday this week. And then it'll be on Tuesdays afterwards. That's pretty much it. And then each course module will have what it's needed for that. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, welcome to the course. I'm excited to get you to the end. Let's have some fun. I'll see you on Thursday. Take it easy, be safe, and have a good one. All right. Bye, everybody. Take it easy.